In today's video, we're taking flight with one of the most impressive micro drones ever created, the Airmax Neo Mini Drone. A tiny aerial powerhouse designed for creators, travelers, and anyone who wants professional 4K footage in the palm of their hand. The Airmax Neo isn't just small, it's engineered with a full ducted protection system, giving it the kind of safety and durability you almost never find in a mini drone. The entire propeller system is completely enclosed, meaning even if you bump into a wall, a tree, or even a person, you're not hurting anyone and your drone stays protected. This duct design also shields the motors, one of the most vulnerable parts of any drone, making the Airmax Neo safe to fly where other drones simply can't go, indoors, outdoors, and even in crowded spaces. Under the hood, the Airmax Neo Mini packs a brushless, strong magnetic motor, delivering smooth, powerful thrust and buttery flight stability. Unlike brushed motors that burn out or lose power in high heat, this drone flies continuously without slowing down. And thanks to its 7.4-volt 1500 mAh high-density lithium cobalt battery, you get up to 18 minutes of flight, even in cold conditions down to -10 degrees Celsius. This tiny drone can soar 80 meters high, travel 800 meters out, and still deliver crystal-clear aerial footage through its 4K 3840 by 2160 camera. From wide landscapes to close-up follow shots, this drone handles selfies, vlogging, and cinematic angles with ease. The Airmax Neo combines GPS plus optical flow positioning, meaning it can hover with precision both indoors and outdoors. It can follow you automatically, return home on its own, and maintain stability even in breezy conditions. And with features like handheld takeoff and landing, modular batteries, fast charging, and real-time smartphone control, flying it feels almost effortless. But here's where it gets wild. This drone weighs only 140 grams, making it legal almost everywhere with no registration, no restrictions, and no geo-locked no-fly zones. You can fly when you want, where you want. Its ultra-compact body, smaller than many smartphones, slips right into your pocket and is lighter than half of them. And because of its ducted design and quiet motor system, the Airmax Neo Mini Drone is nearly silent. With super bright LED lights, super night vision bottom sensors, and a unique through-the-wall mode that seamlessly lets you fly indoors and outdoors, day or night, this drone is built for adventure. The Airmax brand carries a legacy in micro-drone innovation, from the first metal air selfie drones in 2015 to Apple Store-featured models in 2018 to the Air Duo and Air Neo in 2022. This is a company known for redefining portable aerial photography, and the Airmax Neo Mini is the latest leap forward, lighter, stronger, smarter, and more capable than ever. So today, we're pushing this tiny beast to its limits: motion stability, camera clarity, obstacle handling, follow mode, indoor versus outdoor performance, real 4K footage samples. Let's see if the world's smallest GPS ducted drone really lives up to the hype, and if it deserves a place in your pocket. This is the Airmax Neo Mini, and it's time to fly.